So to our distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and partners in innovation, it is my privilege to present our plans for three groundbreaking partnerships centered around the Data Protect Shera project, or self-sovereign identity empowerment, reinventing rights and attributes. Today, we are forging cooperations with the Block Clubs Incorporated, also known as the Block, Superteam Philippines, and the Polytechnic University of the Philippines to revolutionize data privacy and advance blockchain technology education and capability in our country. The Data Protect project, with its Shera system, represents a significant leap forward in our mission to decentralize privacy using blockchain technology. Shera addresses the critical concerns related to data ownership, transparency, auditability, and fine-grained access control over personal data shared across various services. The innovation is not just about protecting data, it is about empowering individuals and reshaping how we approach digital identity in an increasingly connected world. So our collaboration with the Block and the Superteam Philippines, our partnership with the Block and Superteam Philippines is founded on a shared vision of empowering individuals and organizations with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the decentralized futures. Key aspects of our collaboration include knowledge exchange. We will jointly conduct information, education, and communication activities relevant to blockchain technology and Web3. Also, industry applications. Together, we will explore potential applications of blockchain technology and Web3 in local industries, bridging the gap between academic research and real-world implementation. Next is community building. By connecting our networks, we aim to expand the blockchain technology and Web3 community in the Philippines, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of innovation. So we will cross-promote our initiatives, amplifying our reach and impact in blockchain and Web3 space. For talent development, DOST-ASTI, the Block and Superteam Philippines, will support and endorse students, enthusiasts, practitioners for immersion, internship programs, or capability training program, providing hands-on experience in blockchain research and development. Next is our partnership with the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Our collaboration with the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, particularly through the Research Institute for Strategic Foresight and Innovation, or PUP-RISP, focuses on enhancing blockchain education and research and development. So key elements or areas of our partnership includes curriculum enhancement. So the DOST-ASTI and its industry partners to provide PUP with deeper technical knowledge about blockchain technology and Web3, enriching their existing curriculum and on other emerging technologies. Joint research initiatives to initiate research and development projects related to blockchain technology and Web3, and fostering innovation and practical applications. Next is stakeholder engagement, to co-organize and participate in stakeholders meeting, bringing together academia, industry, and government to drive blockchain adoption. Also, student opportunities. PUP students will have an opportunity to engage in internship program at DOST-ASTI, gaining valuable experience in cutting-edge blockchain research. Also, knowledge dissemination. We will support each other disseminating research findings, project outcomes, contributing into to the broader scientific community. So by combining DOST-ASTI's advanced infrastructure and expertise with the Block and Superteam Philippines, industry connections, and with PUP's academic excellence, we are building a powerful cooperation that will accelerate progress in this critical field. The impact of these collaborations extend far beyond our institutions. So through the Data Protect Shera project, we are not just advancing blockchain technology, we are reshaping the landscape of digital privacy and identity management. We are empowering individuals to take control of their personal data, fostering trust in digital interactions, and laying the groundwork for more secure and transparent online ecosystem. So to our partners at the Block, the Superteam Philippines, and PUP, Your unique contributions are cornerstones of this initiative. The Block and Superteam Philippines industry expertise combined with PUP's academic rigor and research capabilities, we create an unparalleled foundation for innovation. Together, we are not just pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology, we are reshaping the landscape of digital trust and data sovereignty in the Philippines. So let's enthusiastically embrace the challenge of propelling the Philippines to the forefront of the global blockchain stage, fuel our collective curiosity, and also work tirelessly to position our nation as a beacon to blockchain innovation and digital empowerment. Maraming salamat po at isang maagham na umaga po sa ating lahat.